Located in Greatwood Terrace on a gorgeous lot with mature trees sits 8731 Saratoga Drive. This beautiful two-story home measures 2,251 square feet and includes 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, an upstairs game room, and a 2-car garage. The tiled entry gives way to the dining room featuring beautiful hardwood floors and decorative crown and chair molding. The spacious living room with tall ceilings and a wood beam has windows overlooking the backyard, built-in bookshelves, and a tile-surrounded gas fireplace, which is the focal point of the room. The living room opens to the kitchen featuring granite counters, a serving buffet which provides an amazing amount of counter space, and an eat-up breakfast bar with pendant lights. The large breakfast area has lots of light coming through the windows and has a patio door which leads to the covered back patio. The master bedroom has crown molding, a ceiling fan and light fixture, and leads to the updated master bathroom with dual sinks, a whirlpool tub, and separate shower. Upstairs, the game room is large enough for all of your family game nights, and the adjacent guest bedrooms all have window blinds, along with ceiling fans and light fixtures. The spacious backyard has a 24 by 14 covered back patio, offering plenty of room to relax and enjoy the outdoors, and the many trees provide plenty of shade to keep you cool on those warm summer afternoons. This gem, located at 8731 Saratoga Drive in Greatwood Terrace, is waiting for you to call it home.